Hi guys, Assalamu alaikum. This is Abu Huraira. I am back in front of the camera again because my English speaking and communication skill are quite wide. Therefore, I will try to come in front of the camera every day to practice and improve my speaking skill and communication skill. So I think I will make a lot of mistakes at first. Please ignore those and encourage me. Therefore, I can improve my speaking skill and communication skill. And please, guys, leave a nice comment and good reaction in the comment section so I feel motivated to practice every day. And second, please, guys, ignore my surrounding as this is a bachelor flat. That's it. Have a good day, guys. Tata, bye bye.